Hi there, my name is Scott Dunn and I'm going to show you a couple of steps that I take when analysing a new project. It's like pre-analysis steps that I have. So this dataset is a badminton men's cycles dataset which contains a number of tournaments, and what I'm looking to do is to split this dataset up from one file into multiple files, and I'm going to separate this up by the amount of tournaments that we've got in this dataset. So as you can see, there's a Yonex, Swiss Open, there's an England Open, and there's Orleans Masters, etc., etc. And each row, 3,762 rows in this dataset, each row represents a match. So, and having a look at this dataset, there is nested data, so there's other steps that I'm going to take after this video, but the purpose of this video, as I say, is to separate this file into a number of files for each tournament. So RStudio is what I'm using today. Here are the 4 libraries that I use, and then I run the file that I just showed you to load that into the environment, which is here. Then I want to check how many tournaments there actually are. So I'm using the unique call for the data frame and looking at the tournament column. As you can see, there's 88 tournaments in this file. I'm going to create a folder, or I should say, when I create these CSV files, this is the folder that I'm going to put them into. Okay, and if there is not that folder created already, what I'm doing is I'm instructing to create that folder. And if I show you here, this is the location. There is no badminton folder. So in this instruction, that's going to create it. Okay. And when I create these files, I want it to be clean. I want to use the column, this column here, and if there's any unclean data in it, like asterisks, etc., etc., it's going to clean that up for me so that there's no issues on saving it. So clean that up, and when it's saved, when each file is created, it's going to come up with a saved file name, and that'll appear on the console area. So it happens really quickly. So I'll just show you that. So as you can see, all these have been created, and now that's finished. So there is a new folder called badminton, and here are all the files that have been created. So we'll open up the Canada Open. Okay, that's the Canada Open. So the file is exactly the same, and it only contains the Canada Open. So that's how to do that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any comments, questions, or suggestions, please get in touch either through GitHub, LinkedIn, or on this video, as you'll see them in the description. Thank you very much.